Just put aluminum foil on your fridge door and you'll never have this problem again. That's right, everyone. I'm sure you've never used aluminum foil this way before, but once you know why that's for, you're going to try this right away. So the step is actually pretty simple. First, take a roll of aluminum foil and just stir off a piece about the size. We'll do the job. Now, just open the fridge door, and then all you're got to do is play steel aluminum foil. Here, and then just close it after this. Just pull the aluminum sheet. Did you see how easily I pulled it off? Let me do it again. Put it here and pull it off again. He came out too easily. The thing is, when it happens, it means that your fridge gasket, it's not working properly. This gasket purpose is to seal when the door closes, but with time and daily use, this gasket tends to dry up, and that's why it stops sealing or fridge, and then it can cause your food to spoil faster, because the fridge won't be able to maintain the temperature. And even worse, you start to spend more electricity than you shoot. And in some cases, the door won't even close anymore. And then what people usually do is call a professional to solve the problem. Who? We're going to ask you to change the door gasket, and then you're not only going to have to pay for a new one, but you also have to pay for his service. But you don't actually have to do this. So now I'm going to show you a very simple solution for this, which is probably going to solve this sealing problem. Come on. So the first thing, go ahead and unplug your fridge and it wants this done. We're going to need this. Take a look. This is a hairdryer, all right? But if you don't have one, you can use the heat gun instead. And now it's pretty simple right here on the gasket. Go ahead and turn it on, the lowest power, and then keep in some distance. Just apply some head to the gasket, moving it up and down like so for about 5 minutes. And there you go, folks. I have already finished. And now, what did we just do here? As we run the heat over to gasket, it helps to soften the rubber doing so. It takes away all the dryness as well as any kind of lack that may have in the rubber. And with this returning to its natural sealing. So now let's go ahead and repeat the test. Let's take another piece of aluminum foil here. I'm using this. But feel free to go ahead and use something else, like paper towel, instead. Just make sure to pick something thin. Now let's go ahead and place the sheet here again. All right. So now let's try to pull that off. And now check this out. See the difference? It even tore apart. Now I'm sure my fridge gasket is working properly. So that's if folks try this out at home. If the sheets come in now very easily, go ahead and apply some heat. By doing so, I'm pretty sure that this problem is going to be solved.